Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to enable apps from unknown sources on your Fire Stick. Go to your Fire Stick settings, navigate to the security menu, and toggle on the option that allows installation from unknown sources. This is crucial because KODI isn't available in the Amazon App Store. Step 2. Next, you'll want to download a file manager app directly from the Amazon App Store. Search for Downloader or ES File Explorer, both work great. Install whichever one you prefer, as you'll use it to access and install the KODI file. Step 3. Now open your File Manager app and navigate to the official KODI website using the built-in browser. Find the Android version of KODI and download the APK file directly to your Fire Stick. The download will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the download completes, return to your File Manager and locate the downloaded KODI APK file in your Downloads folder. Tap on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts and grant any permissions that KODI requests during installation. Step 5. Finally, wait for the installation to complete, then launch KODI from your Fire Stick apps menu. You can now add your streaming sources, customize your interface, and start enjoying all your media in one organized place.